For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So for the X and O ring, we're just going to take the round pliers and curve it around to form the O. And then we're going to bend that up on an angle, bend this to the back, pinch it, bend this up to the side, give it another pinch, and then we want to bend this to the front. So just bend it around to the front, and then we're just going to take this and bend it to the left. So there's the X and O, and we'll get a round form, bring it all the way around, keep going. You can clip it if you want, and then just take the end and round it out, curve this part out a little bit, wiggle this around. You could trim that or leave it as is, and there you have your X and O ring.